In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to compute limits within Python. So first we're going to start off by doing from SymPy import everything, and then here I gave a little introduction to how the limit function works. So we'll run through an example of this here, and we could do limit sine of x, and we could divide this by x. We're going to set the variable that we're taking the limit of, and the value that we're taking it to. So this is going to be sine x over x, limit of x going to 0, and you can see here that's going to return us 1. Now we could do the same thing by simply copying this, and this is going to be an infinity limit. So all we're going to do is type 00, and that'll represent infinity with the SymPy package, and we could run that. Now you can see this is giving us 0, and if we change this to cosine, it'll also give us 0. Now for one-sided limits, we could simply pass through this function here of dir, and then in quotes we could pass through whether it's negative or positive. In this case we'll do negative. We'll run that here, and we'll swap this around to sine, and we'll delete the denominator. And now you can see this is returning us negative 1, comma 1. We could swap this to positive, do the same, but we're still going to get the same answer.
Now that's a basic introduction on how to solve limits in Python, and I hope that helps.